Game Dev Journey. Hey everyone, it's Rob here from Game Dev Journey. I've been looking around for great Godot tutorial channels, and this is what I have to recommend this week. Chevifier is a channel all about Godot for games in 3D. You'll find everything from general Godot tutorials to 3D modeling and animation in Blender. He has a growing Discord community for insight updates on his current projects, as well as general chatting and help with Godot. This channel is full of useful content to learn from, such as creating an interactive loading screen in Godot 4 Alpha, to creating realistic homing missiles. You're bound to find something useful. The channel is updated regularly too, so there is new content here all the time. Andrea Catania is a programmer with an interest in artificial intelligence and game programming. He is an open source supporter, which is why he loves the Godot engine. He's found that the internet is the best place for him to talk and share about his passion, and that's the goal of his YouTube channel. You'll find a lot of content on his channel, and a lot of it is demonstrating how to do things with Godot plugins. Lots to learn here, so head over there and dive in. Error Hunter is quite a new channel to YouTube, but the content which is there is good, particularly for those who are new to Godot. He explains things quickly and comprehensively, such as adding AI movement to your enemies, or even adding effects such as bleeding. The content is presented in a straightforward and engaging way, so watch a few videos and decide if it's for you. Deranged Turtle Games is a multi-talented YouTuber who experiments with all sorts of tech, coding, electronics, and of course, game tutorials using Godot. He has an extensive playlist of Godot videos in which he covers topics ranging from parallax backgrounds to how to code a state machine. Certainly a useful channel, and one which could use some more support. SupercraftD has an interesting channel. The content is quite random, but recently there have been a few Godot tutorial videos appearing there. The latest one shows you how to implement top-down movement in under 3 minutes. So if you're looking to get started in Godot and want a quick, no-nonsense explainer, then this is the channel for you. That's all for this week. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all again next time.